I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door knob handle. Start by gathering your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new doorknob. It's crucial to measure your door's backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the doorknob hole. Most residential doors have a backset of 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Also, check your door's thickness, usually between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches, to ensure compatibility with your new hardware. Now let's remove the old doorknob. On the interior side of the door, you'll typically find 2 screws. Use your screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, the 2 halves of the doorknob should easily separate. Next, remove the latch mechanism from the door's edge. This usually involves unscrewing 2 smaller screws holding the faceplate in place, then pulling the latch straight out. With the old hardware removed, it's time to install the new latch. Slide the new latch mechanism into the hole on the door's edge. Make sure the beveled side of the latch bolt faces the direction the door closes. This ensures smooth operation. Secure the latch faceplate to the door's edge using the 2 screws provided with your new doorknob. Tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping. Finally, let's attach the new doorknob. Insert the exterior doorknob through the door, making sure its spindle aligns with the latch mechanism. Then, slide the interior doorknob onto the spindle, ensuring it engages properly. Secure both halves of the doorknob with the provided screws, typically 2. Tighten them evenly until the doorknob is snug. Test the doorknob's operation several times to ensure it turns smoothly and the latch retracts correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.